Look at this crazy shit. This thing let me go live twice at the same time. I didn't think it would. I had to go home to eat and check on the kids. So, how crazy is that? I can go live 2 times? Bro, that's so convenient. It's crazy. I'm listening to Matt Coors while watching this. This thing, man. Consolidated $32. It's either going way up or it's going to come tumbling down. Which one's it going to be is the question. That's so crazy. Can't believe it lets me do this twice. Super convenient. Oh, the trend line looks close to 33 end of day if it holds. Look at that thing. That's where we want to be right there. It's like 32.80 end of day. 32.80 end of day. Above VWAP. RSI is good. Just see if it makes it up there. I guess I should reset my password for Weeble because I don't remember it. I thought I knew what it was. Oh, I did remember it. Oh shit. Never mind. There it is. I'm trying to find that level 2 data. $435 million volume. Yeah, let me do this twice, Luke. How crazy is that? I can live stream 2 times at the same time. I didn't know I could do that. It was impossible. But since I'm at home right now, letting the kid play with his friends a little bit before I go back. I gotta get a haircut. But and then I gotta go back to work for a little bit. Weird that one says playback. Error occurred. Come on, baby. Dude, those 50-cent drops hurt to watch. They hurt so bad. That 50 cents drops your portfolio like $300. You're like, come on, just push. Just push it over 32.50. You can do it. 32.50. Come on. It just takes so much buying pressure to get it up there. That's the downside. God, these kids, so loud. Look at my Yala call going up $30. I should just sell it while I'm not down 100%, you know. It's worth $90. I could buy, I could spend $90 on something. AMC shares. Get 3 shares of AMC. Almost 3 shares. Yeah. XL Fleet had a decent little bump. What's old Eyes doing? Doge is at 33 with Bitcoin. 35. Virgin down. Upstart down. Eyes down. What about Oxygen? Oxygen down. Yeah, you would have. If you would have bought calls for late June, you'd be up like 3,000%. Yeah, that drop was ugly. I made some money on the puts. I made a little money in AMC going both ways. I haven't really lost a bunch in AMC. I haven't had any big pullbacks. I mean, the day's still young. That's for sure. Right now we're just seeing it. We're seeing Power Hour not do us any favors, are we? Yep. Not doing us any favors. Damn, man. We're not getting a look. We got a red. We need green. We need green right here. Or at worst, 2 baby reds. 2 real indecisive buys right here. These are 2 million, 2 million, 2 million. So if this red one continues the trend that we're on, which is big red followed by a couple small little cells followed by a big boost of green, get us back into 32 and change. Oh, that sucks. The pre-market one gets us, man. It gets you both directions, honestly. I think most people making big money make it while you're asleep. You know, you can't even. We're not even trading that 20% jump in the morning. Think about doing 20% a day on some of these stocks. It's big money, man. Big money. I don't want to hold these 22 calls overnight. I really don't want to hold any of them overnight at this point. It's just a little bit risky all around. With the expirations coming up. It's definitely not respecting the 32 anymore. I got a haircut today, though, for real. My hair's out of control. Yeah, I mean, look, the calls are all, I mean, the ones I bought today are in the money, so it's good to just take $400 and roll it into something tomorrow and see what happens. Even though I think, put play probably wouldn't be that bad of an idea. It's just the theta is going to hurt. Look, I'm up 20. I'll be up like 25% on this call. I mean, that's a fair play. Spend $1,600 and pull out $2,000. Solid play. There we go. That's what we're looking for. The step down and then the push back up. That's what we need. Profit is profit. You're right. We gotta not be greedy. I keep saying that to myself. Like, I should sell my shares. If it gets to 32, I just need to let them go and not risk them dropping $500 overnight. Because if I had sold them this morning, I could have banked another 500. I'd have been up 4, and then I could have made 5 on the bounce. So I just need to do that. Yeah, I get greedy, man. Look, because it looks promising when you look at the chart. The chart looks promising, just like that bull flag looks like. If it just continues that trend's 3280. But it doesn't have to continue that trend. It does what it wants. And sometimes at the end of the day, it just takes your money. You lose hundreds of dollars. Hundreds of dollars. At one point today, my account was up 72% for the day. Now it's up 53%, which is still crazy, but still. Right here, boom, there goes $100, you know, on that candle. So we need this candle to be green. Right here, looking at this, the trend that we keep seeing is big red, followed by a couple, look, big red, green, red, red, green. We need it to be the other way, and we're not getting that. But maybe it'll run up to 32. Yeah, 72%. How crazy is that? I opened with, well, I made a deposit today, but yeah, I'm up $1,600. So you can't be mad at that. Mostly because the calls are up so much. I only have one that's not in the money, and that's because that I should have sold last week. It's down 48% total. Market value is $400. Cost was $770. So either way, that one's got to go today because it's going to bleed out tomorrow if this thing doesn't go to 36 or $38, which it doesn't look like it will. So it'll get gone. Yeah, really, it's just getting into calls or puts. You know, this is a solid look. Look at where we were at today. It was up at 23 or 24%, and then it dropped down to +8. You know, it bounced so much. That swing is huge. And you don't have to. You can still do low risk options. You don't have to do risky options, Luke. You can buy an option that's a month out, 6 months out. They cost more money, but also they don't bleed. They don't change that much. If you thought AMC was going to be $50 in July, buy something that's far out. Look at these guys. Guys buy Tesla calls, like, you know, $750 Tesla calls for a year from now. Where's Tesla at right now? Probably 600, 625. Buy a 750 Tesla call. Way out. Oh man, tomorrow, I don't know. AMC. We've only seen it hold this gain a couple times. It's got to drop. It has to. You know, look at what we have. I think you could probably see 28 and 36 tomorrow. In the realistically, this thing has been swinging so high. I mean, 36 to 28, or actually, what was that? 36 to 24 and change on Friday. Tesla's not overvalued. Today you were what, 33 to 28? Easily could see that. Tesla's not overvalued because Tesla is not just a car company. You can't trade Tesla as an automotive manufacturer. You got to trade Tesla as a technology company, and really technology and manufacturing, because they develop manufacturing techniques that are insane in the automotive world. And then Tesla's going to wrap in other entities into its business model. So you're not just buying in Tesla. You're buying into a lot more than just them. Let's see here. I got a voicemail at work. We'll see who left me that message. Nobody. Perfect. Straight and sideways. Straight and sideways. Yeah, I don't know. I wonder if Starlink will be thrown into that. Starlink might be thrown into like a whole Tesla, like an ETF. I mean, you look at its own ETF at this point. Tesla, SpaceX, Starlink, Solar, Boring Company. Could be the entire Musk ETF. Hmm. I wonder how much money Matt Kors and Trey's Trades and these guys would have in AMC stock if they didn't stream on YouTube. People dislike Elon Musk because he tanks Bitcoin continuously. Because he's just in here moving, he's moving the market with no rhyme or reason. Look, people were buying Bitcoin at $65,000 a coin. Now it's at $36,000 a coin, highly because of what Elon Musk says. That's why people don't like him. Cost him a lot of money. Same with Doge. Doge went way up, but then Saturday Night Live happened and Doge went down like 50%. All he had to do was come out and say, I love Doge, buy Doge. Doge to $1. All he had to do was come out and hand somebody $1 and say, here's one Doge. That's all he had to do. And Doge would be $1. For sure. People would have been millionaires, 100,000aires. But that's not what he did. They came out, they made bad jokes, and Doge tanked. And Bitcoin, he said, oh, Bitcoin's bad for the environment because mining it costs so much energy. And it tanked. It's not even taking financial advice. No one's taking advice from him. They are just reacting. I never really understood it at all. How the reaction even occurs. Like who's out there just selling it because this thing happened. AMC's getting a little bit of a push right now. A little bit of trying to stay above 3150. It's following that same pattern leading up into this, which is big red followed by a couple little bullshit candles followed by a big green. There we go. Just getting a push. Still got 30 minutes to go. Got to get over 32. Make this $33 call not suck so hard. Make my shares not be in the red. My shares are in the green. Let's keep it that way. I was gonna sell it like 32.20 earlier. Just to take. I mean, look, $100 is $100, and then we'll buy whatever it goes down to. Ride it back up. Look, people, I find it funny because I'm listening to Matt Kors here, and then somebody bought $600,000 worth of AMC, and then sold 200,000 of it. Look, man, people out there with big money, deep pockets, they're not holding this for no damn squeeze. They're holding this for a couple dollars. They're holding this for $5 a share, bro. You get a million share, you get $1 million worth. It goes up $5 a share. Yeah, smart people don't fucking hodl that shit. Okay, they're not hodling a goddamn thing. Smart people are trading this bullshit. How much is $600,000? How many shares is that? It's 19,300 shares. Times that by $5. It's 100 grand. Damn near $100,000 in a day. Yeah, that's what smart people do. They don't hodl it hoping it goes to 100,000 a share. They have $100,000. Now they have $100,000 more than your dumbass hodling your $4,000 position. Look, think about if all of these people were swing trading this. Think about that. They're giving it up. Oh yeah, you're up 130% in a week. Meanwhile, the stock swings 20% a day. You do that on the way up, and you're up all of a sudden 500% for the week. Could legitimately be there. It's not. God damn it. That's not even a crazy thought. It's a realistic thought. Yeah, no. Look, the amount of people that hodl is limited to me. I don't think there's a whole lot. I think there's a lot of people that trade it, and then they accumulate more shares. But yeah, fucking sell that bitch at $33 and buy it at 29 or 30. You still have it. You're still holding shares, and honestly, we probably aren't holding any of them. In the real world, if we're buying it on whatever freaking platform you're buying it on, they're giving you the money. Right? Weeble's going to give me the money, but they're not giving me the shares. They're not mailing them to me. I can't hold them. Right? So there's just a big chunk out there that they just dip into. An illusionary chunk. Interesting that it's approaching the VWAP. Smart people take profits. I hopped on Justin Kelly's stream earlier, and he was like, "Oh, you come to gloat?" I'm like, "I ain't gloating, buddy. I mean, look, it's up. It's crazy that it's up 20 damn percent. I know his puts aren't going to be worth a fucking thing. That dude's going to lose $23,000 worth of options because he bought puts at $18 with a $14 strike price. Odds of this thing dropping 50%, not great. I think it'll be GameStop 2.0. I think it'll drop down to high teens, low 20s, and just stay there, and then just do whatever. And then they'll short it again, and then people will jump back in this shit. I think that's what'll end up happening. Man, look at it just sitting here go sideways. Well, I think they'll do something. Excuse me. This cough is getting crazy. I think they'll do something like what GameStop ended up doing, and that is they will just modify their business model to somehow gain the valuation out of their business. So that's what GameStop did. They didn't go, cool, our stock went way up. We're going to keep, giving you $3 for your games and selling them back to you for $20 and just hope people keep coming in. They're going to change what they're doing to make money. They're going to do other things to generate revenue in a new world. And I think AMC will do the same. I think they'll modify their theaters. I think they'll modify the way that they deliver content to you. And odds are that they will sell or acquire some other form of entity that makes them money without you ever going to the theater. Buy a company that streams content directly to the consumer. Why not? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I mean, everyone likes movie theaters. But also know that everyone thinks movie theaters are too damn expensive. Look, man, for me to take. Oh, fuck, there it goes. For me to take two kids and a girlfriend to a movie and eat, that's $100 bill, man. That's easily $100. Well, there we go. Gonna lose this fight right here. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say lose the fight. You're up 19% on the day. You're not losing the fight by any means, but you get down below 31, and that sucks. Selling pressure's building. That's the VWAP. Hmm. Still got 30 minutes. Could have been a little profit take and then a bounce back up. Yeah, you need to go to sleep, man. You're watching this market. This one closes and then the Europe market opens, so you might as well just keep at it. Oh man, I don't know. I don't see it selling off after hours. It hasn't yet on any day, any trade day. It either goes up or it goes sideways. It doesn't sell off. So if it closes at $30, it'll probably stay at $30. moving. Bouncing off the VWAP. Might hold, might not. Someone's pushing back. Bump 20 cents. Microvision? Shit. I bought a put on that bitch. Microvision's at $18. See you tomorrow, buddy. See you tomorrow. It's 31.35. And moving up. 31.40. Hmm. Hmm. There we go. Push it up. Push it up, man. 15 minutes. There we go. I need to sell this call option. Push that bitch back up to $32 so I can get up out this call. Nice push. Nice push. Keep going. Keep going, green. 32. Come on. Back to 32. Good push into the bell. Come on. That gives me green on these trades by about 50 bucks. There we go. Nice. Nice push to 30. 32. Come on. Oh, yeah. Let's go. 10 minutes, man. Come on, man. 32. It's trying to rally into the close. It's trying. Push it. Need that push. Ah, fight it. I really want to close this thing at 420. Let's go. I'll take $4, but 420 would be nice. It's so close. 405. It's not gonna make it. 8 minutes to make a decision. Push it. Come on. Hmm. Ah, it's dropping below $4. Push it into the close. Come on. Push it the other way. Push it the other way into the close. Five minutes, man. There we go. Push it. Come on. There it is. There she goes. There we go. Get that 32. Get up there. 5 minutes. All right, got rid of that call. Got rid of that one. These things will still be in the money tomorrow. The theta's not that bad on them. $50. I think I'll hold these. I think I'll hold the 22s and the 30. The 22s and the 21 calls. I think I'll hold both of those tomorrow. Because those are both in the money. And I don't have to burn a day trade today. So I think that's a smart play. Watching the stock, man, going into the closing bell. See what I'm gonna do.
I thought you were going to go back to work.
I am. I got to get a haircut too.
Oh.
Wanted to push up, push up.
Good touch of the stocks.
Yeah, power hour. Last hour of the day. See if it's gonna go up or come crashing down. I cut it when I get home. That way you get to enjoy some of it. You savages don't just devour it while I'm gone. I'm just going to unload some of my shares. That way, if it goes up a little bit tomorrow and after hours, so be it. Makes sense.